So we want to make sure navigation is off because when you go into preview, you don't want to show page 1, page 2. So that should be grayed out. Your resize the mobile, you want that one on for sure. Social media link, let's put that one on. Google Analysis, you do need to have Pro version. We don't need that for this. And then you go continue to publish. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to hit publish. It's going to work as a little magic. It's going to prepare your website link. And then you're going to go view your website. So here it is. So because of the font, we may want to fix that one. And then you would scroll down. You can look. This is what your guests would see when they go in there. Their invitation. They would click on your Google. They would click on your link here. It will bring them to the Bed Bath & Beyond. If they want to do the registry, your recipe, and then your RSVP. They click on there. They would come here. So your guests will come in here. They'll put their name. If they're going to come, if they can't make it, then they hit RSVP now. Now, as the hostess, you'll be able to see who has registered. So what you do is you go back to your invitation. On the RSVP side, you're going to click, and right here where it says responses, you're going to click there. And as people respond, you're going to be able to see it here. No one has response, so we haven't seen it, but that's what it would look like. And then so what I've done is I pulled up another invitation that I've done, and I kind of went in and did some. So when you hit that response, this is what it'll look like as people are responding to your invitation. If they're going or not, it'll tell them the name, if they're going, yes or no. And then you can always link that to a sheet. And then you can open it, and it'll open up in a Google form. And here it keeps everything right here in Canva. You can just save that as well, and then you can download that. So that's how you can keep it organized as well for your invitation. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how you can send the link to your guests. So the link that it gave, you would copy that. You could create your email or if you're texting. So create your text, and then take the paste it in the bottom, and then you're going to hit send, and that's how you send it to your guests. Any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email or make a comment below. As always, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.